It's me, and I'm still here at 17730 South Torrance Avenue. It's Eric Pickett, and this is Miss Gray. We just spent half the day putting this deal together. She's driving off with a 2016. It's all black?
All black. Black on black.
Is it an LTZ?
Yes, it is. Fully loaded.
Is it the right price?
Oh, yes.
Ooh. She said, oh yeah, who you gonna tell?
Everybody.
Everybody. Still selling cars. Still waiting for you to show up. Come see me. I'm waiting for you.